Hello students, good morning everyone. Standard 3rd, subject Marigold. Textbook. Unit 7. In our previous video, we have completed Unit 6 in textbook and as well as in workbook. Now today we are going to start our Unit 7. In Unit 7, here a story given. The name is Little Tiger, Big Tiger. So the story Little Tiger, Big Tiger is about a tiger cub and his mother. The mother tiger is a furious animal who is protective of her young cub. But one fine day, the little cub goes hunting for a frog and lands in danger. So now let's read this story. Little Tiger, Big Tiger. There was a mother tiger and her small tiger cub. They lived near a river in a shady jungle. When the sky was dark, the mother tiger hunted for deer and pig. The tiger cub stayed close by his mother's side. When the langur monkey saw her, he called a loud, harsh call. Watch out, a tiger is coming. The sambar deer bellowed. The kakar deer barked, and sometimes the game got away. She hunted then for jungle fowl, for pheasant, and for frog, or went to the river for fish. But she did not hunt every night. If the moon was bright, the mother tiger lay down and waited for the dawn. She twitched the tip of her tail, and the tiger cub pounced on her tail again and again. If he went too far away, the mother tiger called him with a low, quiet grunt. The tiger cub came back, but he did not like to stay near his mother in the jungle at night. One night, the mother tiger was tired and closed her eyes. The tiger cub saw a tiny frog hopping along the ground. The tiger cub pounced, but the frog hopped away. He chased the frog and caught it, and turned to show his mother, but she was not in sight. Instead, he saw a tiger bigger than his mother near him in the jungle. The tiger's green eyes glistened as he watched the tiger cub. The tiger cub was frightened. He could not hide or run. He let the frog hop away. The tiger crept up closer to the little tiger cub. But a roar filled the jungle. The roar of the mother tiger. She faced the other tiger and he went away. The mother tiger liked to roar a loud, big tiger roar to tell all the other animals in the jungle that she was there. All the other animals in the jungle kept far, far away. The tiger cub also liked to roar a loud tiger cub roar to tell all the other animals in the jungle that he was there. But all the other animals in the jungle were not afraid at all, and none of them ran away. But there came a year when the small tiger cub was a full-grown tiger. He walked for miles alone, hunting for game at night. When he rode to tell all the other animals in the jungle that he was there, all the other animals in the jungle kept far, far away, and the great big tiger that had been a small tiger cub, hearing his own louder roar, smiled to himself, a great big tiger smile. So now here we have some new words. So let's see: shady, bellowed, twitched, pounced, grunt, game, glisten, roar, pheasant, and fall. Okay, again now shady, beloved, twitch, pounced, grunt, game, glistener, roar, pheasant, and fall. Okay, now some more activities. Reading is fun. First one, tick the right answer. So here three questions given and each have four options. We have to find correct one. Okay. So now let's start. Where did the mother tiger and her small tiger cub live? So options are near a river, near a forest, near a mountain, near a sea. So which is the correct answer? Yes, they were living near a river. Second one, what did the mother tiger hunt when the sky was dark? What did the mother tiger hunt when the sky was dark? Options are sheep and goats, fish and frogs, deer and pigs, donkeys and horses. So, yes, deer and pigs. Third one, what did the tiger cub catch one night? Options are a deer, a frog, a pig, a cat. So, yes, a frog is right answer. Now, second one, what happened to the little tiger cub when he chased the frog? So answer is when he chased the frog, a big tiger came near him. Okay, now our next activity is word building. Match the animals with their young ones. So here animals name given and this side young ones name given. We have to match the animals with their young ones. Okay, so let's see. First animals is horse. So here this side young one's name given. So which one is young one of horse? Yes, coat. Dog, puppy. Cat, kitten. Cow, calf. Pig, piglet. Tiger, yes, cub. Sheep, lamb. Goat, kid. And duckling. Okay. Again here word game. Can you place these letters in their right order to form the names of animals? So here some letters given, we have to put it in proper order and we have to make animals name from it. Okay, so let's here example given ATC. So CAT, cat. Same here as EMOU. So here we write MOUSE, mouse. Then RESOH. So HORSE, horse. Then OINL. So lion, LION. PESHE. So SHEEP, sheep. REDE, DEER. LUBL, BULL, bull. GITER, TIGER, tiger. And FOLW, WOLF, wolf. Okay, next, the animals and birds in column A have to reach their homes in column B. Find out where they live. So in column A here animals and birds name given, in column B here given their homes. So we have to find animals and birds and their homes. Okay, so a bee lives in hive. Then an ant lives ant hill. Then a duck lives in pond. Then a tiger lives in den. This one already given. And a rabbit in burrow. Spider lives in a web. And a sparrow lives in a nest. So as you can see in this side, here their homes given. Okay, now let's write. Now write 6 sentences from the picture given in exercise 3 of word building. One has been done for you below. Like a tiger lives in a den. In our previous activity we have completed this. So here you can write a bee lives in a hive. An ant lives in an ant hill. A duck lives in a pond. A tiger lives in a den. A rabbit lives in a burrow. A spider lives in a web. A sparrow lives in a nest. So this activity you have to write in your notebook. Okay. Then now talk time. The little tiger cub slipped away when his mother was asleep. He soon got into trouble. Tell the class about a similar incident when you did not listen to your parents and found yourself in trouble. So answer can be once my parents had told me not to go out into the market, I did not listen to them and went inside the market. Later I could not search the way to my home. Then I realized that I was lost. So you can write your own answer here. Okay, now say aloud. So here some words given, some rhyming words. So let's read. Quite, quite, queen, quirrell, below, fellow, sallow, swallow, big, bigger, biggest, small, smaller, smallest, rich, richer, richest, pounce and bounce. Again, quite, quite, queen, quirrell, below, fellow, shallow, swallow, big, bigger, biggest, small, smaller, smallest, rich, richer, richest, pounce, bounce. Okay, now you have to practice it to read it. Okay, our next activity. Who am I? Look at the picture and read the clue, then complete this crossword puzzle. The first clue is done for you. So here puzzle given and first one already done. So let's see first one. I give wool. So here who is giving us wool? So yes, sheep. So SHEEP, sheep. Here we have to complete it. Okay, so for second one, I lay eggs. So second number. So let's find out where is 2 digit here. So a question is I lay eggs. So who lays eggs? Yes, hen. So HEN. Here we write. Okay, now third question is I give you milk. Who is giving us milk? So third number. So here O already given. So we now we know that who gives us. So cow gives us milk. Now fourth question. I carry loads. So fourth number. So where is fourth number? Yes, here given. So question is I carry loads. So who carried loads? Yes, donkey. So here we write DONKEY. O-N-K-E-Y, donkey. Then fifth one, I, knife. So answer is horse. So here fifth one, H-O-R-S-E, horse. Now sixth one, I am man's best friend. So, sixth one here. So dog are man's best friend. Now seventh one, I live in a stay. So who lives in stay? Seventh one, yes, here pig. Pig lives in a stay. Then next one, I bleed. So answer is goat. G-O-A-T, goat. And last one, I am the sheep of the desert. So is the sheep of the desert? Yes, camel. So here ninth one, C-A-M-E-L. Okay. Now this whole activity you have to complete in your textbook. Okay. Thank you.